So you want to learn about arms. No, not that arms. The arms I'm talking about is the new Breath of the Wild glitch that lets you sprint infinitely, not take any damage, and board beaten divine beasts. ARMS stands for Aqua Reverse Memory Storage, but despite its name, it's not as difficult as normal memory storage. Let's get into it, but before we do, you're going to need a few things. First, you're going to need the camera rune, and you're going to need it to be active. What this means is if you press L, it should open the camera rune, and not pick up a bomb, go into magnesis, stasis, cryo, pull up the master cycle, or the amiibo rune. You want it to pull up the camera. Next, you're going to be next to a horned or goddess statue. I like using the horned statue in Hateno Village because it's right next to this puddle of water, which we're going to need later. You're also going to need a few Hyrule Compendium images. We only really need one, but I have a lot. Alright? Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is save next to this statue. After the save is created, you're going to press minus and go ahead and warp to Hyrule Castle. Oh, my bad. You also need a quest active. You need an active quest. I just have Destroy Ganon, because if you've done all the quests and you have this active, if you don't have any quests, Destroy Ganon will always be there. So go ahead and warp to Hyrule Castle. Once you warp to Hyrule Castle, you need to get into a very specific position. So wait for the game to load. It takes a very long time, apparently. Oh, that's why it's raining. Okay. So the reason I placed my travel medallion here is because it's in the perfect spot for starting arms. If there's a guardian here, just go ahead and kill it. I already killed it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to face the castle right between the boundary where you'll be outside and inside of Hyrule Castle. You can use your shield to slowly manipulate it. Once you've found that area, hold out your shield, press A, and immediately press minus. If you see the Hyrule Castle map, or if you see, if you see a glitched runes tab, then you did it wrong. What you want to see is the regular map. Okay? Then you're going to switch to the runes tab. And while on the runes tab, you're going to press R, then immediately B, wait a very tiny bit, and press Y. If done right, after exiting Hyrule Castle, you should see a cursor in the bottom right area of your screen. I did not do it right this time, and as the name states, it's like memory storage, which means there are semi-frame perfect inputs. And you could also be able to hear when it pressed the button. Oops. Come on. But you get the point, okay? I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for you. Oh, wait, never mind. It worked on that try. See, there's the cursor. Once you have the cursor on your screen, you're going to go ahead and press D-pad up. If it's already at the top, then that's good. And then press D-pad right. You should have another cursor off to the side. Next, you're going to press A on this cursor. If it opens up the pause menu, great, you can skip this next step. If it doesn't, just go ahead and hit plus. Once you're in the pause menu, you should be able to see the compendium list. If you press A on your compendium entry, and you can scroll through just like normal. Once you press A on your compendium entry, you're going to press A on the image. Then you're going to go ahead and click Load Save, and scroll up to your manual save. Before I load, once we get into the save, you're going to have to press right on the joystick. So move to the right, and then press A. I'll show you what that looks like as we get in. It's very important that you get this step right, otherwise you may need to do a little extra or restart entirely. Almost done. All right, we're loading in. Right A. It should pull up, yes, if you did it right, it should pull up the map without you having to press anything. Move over to your compendium entry and press A to deselect it. Then you want to go over to your current mission marker, press A, L, and then L again. This will let Link walk around with the open adventure log prompt out in the middle of the screen. So basically like memory storage, but 10 times easier. Next, you're going to walk up to the horn statue and make sure it's hovering over the open adventure log button. Then click pray. You should go into the horn statue dialogue and the mission screen at the same time. Use the right stick to move over to your Memories tab. Click 1, then click View. Scroll down to Thanks But No and select A. You cannot press B there, otherwise you'll undo the glitch. Press A again. View the memory. Skip the memory. And exit the menu. The game will look completely unaffected. Now, you just need to drain Link's stamina almost all the way. So we're going to run around a bit. Once it starts getting low, you want to run over to that pond, jump in, and start gliding. Then when you land, you need to make sure Link runs out of stamina. If he runs out of stamina in the pond, apparently it's okay as well. But yeah, here we are. As you saw, we were swimming in the pond and Link's stamina was recharging. That's not normal. He's supposed to drown. So let's see what happens if we waste our entire stamina wheel. Almost there. Look at that. Link keeps sprinting. Congratulations. You have now activated the arms glitch, aka Aqua Reverse Memory Storage. Alright? What this basically allows Link to do is use his stamina wheel to his full potential, allowing you to sprint even when you have no stamina in there. You can sprint, you can glide, you can enter bullet time, keep gliding, drop down, sprint some more. Ooh, where there's usually bokoblins in this area. So where are they? Are they over here? Yes, they are. Oh, perfect, the white one. This glitch also allows Link to not take any damage. Hit me. No damage. Do it again. Thank you. And that's a white bokoblin, right? You can also keep hitting enemies, unlike the old invincibility... I'm not going to kill that. Unlike the old invincibility glitch, which they couldn't hit you and you couldn't hit them. There are also some neat tricks to try. So, you're not allowed to open the warp menu, otherwise it'll undo the glitch. So I need to find the nearest divine beast, because I do want to test some things. You also cannot wind bomb, which sucks. You can't open any quick menus. You can't, shoot, what can't you do? You can't open menus, you can't wind bomb, you can't talk to NPCs, you can't open chests, as it will soft lock the game, same with talking to NPCs. That can be fixed by opening the menu and closing it. But I want to go to a divine beast. Where's the nearest divine beast? Hang on. Hello? Yeah, I'm not near any, aren't I? The nearest one is probably Varuta, and I don't want to have to travel all the way to Varuta. But you get the gist, okay? Don't talk to NPCs, don't open chests, don't open the menu, otherwise it'll undo the glitch. Another question I had for myself, actually, that I haven't answered yet is, does Link take fall damage? So let's find out. No, Link does not take fall damage. Good to know. Yeah, do your worst. You can also go to Eventide Island, and Eventide will let you run around without activating anything. You can whistle sprint. So you see, oh, it seems Lil Sus is not able to come. That's a shame. If you want to get around fast, I believe if you have the DLC, you can summon your horse. Yo, what's up? My horse is wearing the... Or is he just so close that he'll start running to me? No. Where's my horse? Weird. Whatever. Alright. Yeah, so that's basically how you do arms. It's not anywhere close to as difficult as memory storage. And I know a few of you want to know what happens if you pause the menu and unpause. That happens. The game will load for a quick second, and Link will void out, basically respawning right where you pause the menu. An ancient screw. Where's my horse? I just heard him. He's over there. Yo. What's up? But yeah, you get the gist. I believe if you have your horse, you should be able to mount it. But yeah. That is how you perform the arms glitch. I hope you guys will subscribe. If you want to see more stuff with menu storage and inventory storage, tell me in the comments. Maybe I can make some more stuff. I don't know. Well, I guess I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.